Hello, Math 120 fans. I'm going to try to make a short little intro to each chapter. Let me know if you find this valuable. Chapter 1 is warming up to problem solving. It's about unit conversion and rates. But just a few general notes about approach to the course. So you'll find on the Canvas page these things, but I'm also posting it in this general place. But it doesn't take long to dive into the textbook. You can even do Control F and type chapter 1 and it will take you straight there. Control F just means find. But I would read this. This talks about, unit conversions. It talks about canceling the units, gives you a couple different perspectives. Hey, there's a mention of a formula about density, so I'd throw that on my note sheet. What's a rate? Another version of this. So I would read that, and I would peek at the first few problems in the homework. That's what I would do before class. It's something you can do even in the 10 to 15 minutes before class. But that's how you catch like little things like, there's a formula I might need in the homework. Okay. So beyond that, in class, I'm going to do what I think actually will help you the most as you're doing the homework and understanding the material. In addition, so you'll be able to see my lecture outline. This is what I'm going to go through in class. This is the first day, so it's going to be kind of about the course for a bit, about success in the course. And you're going to see I'm going to talk about what are the formulas. Here are some examples. You're going to do some problems in class. I'm going to say, compute this. Some of them might be quick for you. Some of them might be longer. And then I will build a few things along the way. So I'm your guide to kind of point out some key things from that section. And you can see I labeled that some of these are homework questions. There you go. I'll remind you of a few formulas. I'll give you some tips on how to approach the problems. And you'll be doing problems along the way. That's what we're going to be doing in class time. Okay, so that's a quick background. You can see that it's mostly unit conversion, but there's plenty of things for us to talk about. In future videos, when I may have some content to talk about, if there's like something new we're learning. But for now, that's the idea. At the end of it, I also will have these little review sheets. The review sheet is like a quick summary so that in a few weeks, if you need to come back, you'd be like, what were the key formulas again? What was he talking about? Here's even an example where when I make review sheets, I always include a homework example. It's a little bribe to get you to actually look at it. And you can see a chapter 2. So that's the idea there. There will be these little test prep exercises to kind of get you ready as well. So there'll be these 3 components: lecture outline, this, and there we go. And I will add these little video of this intro. All right, so future intros will be shorter than this, but something to kind of get you started. All right, let me know if you find something like that helpful.